Hi guys, so I've not had a proper chance to introduce this vlog yet, but basically me and Tamanna have come to Manchester. Hi. We're here for the Glamour Beauty Festival, but we decided to stop off at Central Perk, as you've already seen before, and we're just trying to find Glamour Beauty Festival right now, getting drenched. But yeah, so I will catch up with you guys when we're in there. Okay guys, so we've made it to Glamour Beauty Festival now. We've decided we're going to go to skincare first and get a facial done, and then we're going to get foundation matched, I think. So I'm just going to film as much as I possibly can while we're in here and take you guys along with me. Also, in case anyone's wondering why I wasn't under Tamanna's umbrella, I just don't really like umbrellas that much.
Find your skin to be?
The thing is, I don't really know my skin type. Like, I don't understand a lot of skincare.
Okay, so let's do a quick one on it. So do you find your skin gets oily at all in the day?
Not so much.
Not so much. Do you ever find there's areas that get patchy when you've got makeup on or feel drier?
I have noticed recently, like, my nose tends to get quite patchy, but I think my nose is kind of dry sometimes.
Dry, but no oil. No. Right, so you definitely don't have oily or combination skin. So it's either normal or dry. So do you mind if I feel your skin? My hands are
that's fine.
Right, your skin to me feels quite normal with a little bit of dehydration. But it doesn't feel particularly dry. So you've got a normal skin type, probably just need a little bit of extra moisturiser in the middle, that's all.
Yeah.
So all products are suitable for every skin type. You can use them on anybody. You've got lovely normal skin types, you could use any of them. The main thing about vitamin C, it is better for combination and marks, because what the vitamin C does, it lifts pigmentation and areas of blemishes. However, that doesn't mean anyone can't use it. Everyone can use vitamin C. They'll just give a brightening effect on your skin. If I was to choose a range for you, I'd probably choose the Milky Lotion range because it's mild and hydrating and soothing.
Yeah.
So you don't have any areas of concern really, other than a little bit of dehydration and slight darkness under your eye. That's it. You've got lovely skin. So that's a nice everyday usage for you. But that doesn't mean you can't use the others. I wouldn't use the Glow Tonic on you because it's an exfoliating product. You don't need it, and you don't need to put on your what you don't need on your skin. You shouldn't put.
Yeah.
So we'll go for the vitamin C one today. We've got, let's just get your products out for you. Because there's no particular areas of concern, we're just going to use a cleanser, toner, serum and a moisturiser and a finishing product. So do you have anything on your skin at the moment?
Just a bit of lip balm.
So even when you haven't got makeup on, it's still a good idea to cleanse anyway because of pollution, dust and dirt in the air. So we're using the vitamin C juice cleanser. That's a liquid cleanser. It's really lovely, and I'm about to show you. Have a smell of this. It's got orange flower water in it, so it's really soothing. It's really nice. It's to cleanse your skin beautifully, and it won't leave any heaviness on your skin. So often, traditionally, cleansers are cream-based. Because this is liquid, there's nothing left on your skin other than nice, refreshed, balanced skin. So all of our products work towards balancing the skin and giving it a nice glow. Yeah. Whatever you use from the range. So your skin was really clean anyway, but it should feel nice and soft and refreshed a little bit. Soften the skin slightly as well. So moving on to the toner. This is the vitamin C tonics. The toners traditionally take away any traces of cleansing. This will still do that for you, but it'll also put vitamin C in there for you or brighten it. So this has ferulic acid, which stabilizes the vitamin C flow. So again, just on a cotton pad, just sweep it over. Can you smell the vitamin C?
Yeah.
It's nice and refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how does it feel on your skin?
It feels really nice. one of those things that I want to get into, but I just don't know where to start.
Just, you know, it's worth making sure you go to a brand that you can talk about your skin.
Yeah.
You can say, look, this is what I know, this is what I don't know. What do you think? And have a conversation and get to know about the products, and then make a decision.
Yeah.
Right, so we've done your cleanse and we've done your toner now as well. This is a vitamin C serum, and it's a brightening concentrate. So slightly brightens the skin. It's a concentrated vitamin C. So we're just going to put a little bit. Maybe pop your eyes up. We're just going to put a little bit underneath your eyes, and it helps brighten that under eye area as well. It's not an eye cream, but it is a serum and a treatment to help brighten.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like a little bit of brightening? So that just disappears into the skin. And then we're going to follow that with the vitamin C lotion. So again, this is not heavy, your skin's not particularly dry, so this will give you enough hydration without overloading your skin with product. And none of the products overload your skin, but if you're more drier, there's a vitamin C balm as well. Just pop your face up a little bit for me, dear. So you can smell that vitamin C coming through again, can't you? All our products are vegan or vegetarian, they're cruelty free, they've got natural extracts in them, so they're really kind to the skin. Do you use any of our products?
Not at the moment. So this was kind of just a way to try them.
Lovely, of course.
And to learn a bit at the same time.
Yeah, and anytime you want to work, are you near a Pixie counter anywhere?
I think Marks and Spencer's and those kind of places near me do them.
Are you in Manchester?
No.
Oh.
Me and my friend literally just came for this today.
Oh. So how does that feel?
Really nice.
It's nice how the feel of your skin. And you can see as well it's got a really nice glow to it as well. So there is a vitamin C spray, we don't have that. So I'm going to finish up your skin with a hyaluronic spray. It's got hyaluronic acid and oat extract, so it's just soothing, but what it does, it locks in moisture. Exposure? So I'll just keep that moisture going for you all day. How does that feel?
Really good. I feel like my skin looks a lot better already as well.
The skin is gorgeous, but of course, you know, a good skincare product should enhance the natural beauty you've got in your skin, and it should do something for you, otherwise what's the point of it?
Yeah. Okay guys, so we've just had facials and now we are coming to e.l.f. to get foundation matched, and I think they apply it too. So I'll try and film it if I can, but my skin feels and looks so nice after that facial. It was a Pixie vitamin C facial, but yeah, I'll just try and film whatever else I can.
Right, so we always start off with the poreless putty primer. And what kind of look are you looking for then today? Do you want something that's just going to enhance you, or do you want like real full coverage, or
Maybe just like a little bit of coverage, like medium kind of.
Okay, that's fine. So first of all, we're going to pop your poreless putty on. So this just gives a great base for the concealer and the foundation to fit. So you're a YouTuber, are you?
Well, not so much yet.
So what are you hoping for?
I'm not really too fussed. It's just something I like doing. I like filming and editing and that kind of stuff.
Oh, do you?
But I've only been doing it for about a year.
Fantastic. So is that what you want to get into?
It would be nice.
Well, you're in the right city, aren't you, with Media City?
Well, yeah. But I dance as well, so it's kind of like I'm one of those people that wants to do quite a few things.
When you're creative, that is what happens,
yeah,
isn't it? So you're quite pale. So we're using our concealer brush, that's flat, so We're going to use our Flawless Concealer brush to blend. So I'm doing this with a brush, it sort of like lifts it and creams it up. Just so it's not flat on your face.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you used our products before?
No. But it is a brand I've wanted to try for quite a while.
Okay, well that's good. So I think you've got this in your bag. And it's actually our highlighter in rose gold, and I'm putting it on your eyes because we're just to freshen you up and to show you that it's actually versatile.
Yeah.
We set you with your dewy spraying. This is how it comes out. Yeah. Let it dry for a minute.
Okay guys, so I feel like this vlog has been a little bit mismatched because I've just kind of filmed wherever I could. But basically we're back at our home train station now and we're just waiting for my dad to come pick us up. But basically, as you'll have seen, we got a facial at Pixie, we had our foundation colour matched and applied, as well as concealer and, was it highlighter?
Yeah.
And highlighter at Elf. And then I got my hair done at Remington. The curls have kind of come out now. Will you show the braids for me? But yeah, anyway, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm planning to do another video on the goodie bag and all the stuff I got at the event. So it'll probably be up not long after this. I'd say my favourite part from the event was probably the facial. What was your favourite part?
My favourite part was the facial as well, yeah.
It was very relaxing.
Yeah.
And refreshing. Yes, so I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.
Bye.